Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to zoom in into a video here on Canva. First thing you have to do is find a video in which you wish to zoom into here on Canvas. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to Elements and I'm going to find a video. How about, so just randomly, I'm going to search here for business and then I'm going to go to the video section, press on see all, and I'm going to use this video here. Now let me make it a little bit larger. For the entire page, I get the full video. So let's just see, you want to zoom into just this area right here. So I press on play and I will just play the normal video, nothing crazy. Now if I want to press pause, a super simple. For the zoom in, you have to double tap on the video right here until you are greeted with this crop screen here. Right now, all you have to do is grab the corner and zoom out to the best of your abilities now. Some things are a lot easier to zoom out than others. So I'm just going to keep zooming out, keep zooming in for that matter. Now you can tell I will have a pretty good view of the screen and you are zoomed in enough. Now let's tap on this done here. Now if you press on the video, play it and now it's just focusing on that area you just zoom in. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.